go over. Yeah.
Jump! Jump!
No, she's gonna. No, she's like, I'm gonna lay my head over, Dad. Just taking my time about it.
Jump!
She got that big slobber hanging off of her lip. Now's the time to take her over to Grandma, because she'll sleep for her.
Jump, jump, jump! Oh, that's it. I think she's sleeping now.